Hello, welcome back to another video. It's going to be a short video. No, not a shorts video. Yes, a short video. I wanted to expand on the previous video of changing the UPN. If you haven't watched it, click on the link above. The link will also be in the description. This video will deal with the new process when creating a new account. You could append the previous method, or you can just streamline the process when creating a new user account. I'll also expand on the reasoning and the logic when choosing a UPN. I'll also give you an example to avoid to ensure that you get the most from this security implementation. So let's hop to it. So go to portal.azure.com, Microsoft Entra ID, users, new user, create new user, and straight off the bat, it's going to ask for the UPN or the user principal name. I want to take this opportunity to go through a few pointers just to make sure that you get the most out of this security layer. So when selecting a UPN for a user, you need to remember a few things. 1. You need to make it easy for them to remember. The UPN can also be their login for their Windows machine, especially if it's enrolled into Intune. At the login screen, they're not going to have access to like the password manager where they can access their credentials. So you need to make it easy for them to actually remember. If you're changing the UPN and the original UPN was first initial followed by a surname, don't change it to something predictable like firstname.surname and vice versa. We want to make it difficult for the malicious actors to actually find the user account. So when selecting a UPN, make sure it's unpredictable and it's not easy for malicious actors to guess. With some of the restrictions on the UPN, there is a 64 character limit before the @ symbol. Also, the following characters are allowed: capital letters from A to Z, lowercase letters A to Z, the numbers 0 to 9, and the following characters. So let's go back to the process of creating a new user. We'll use the previous example, which is Big Boss, and we can leave this ticked, the derived from user principal name. The display name, we'll use the previous test user, and the password we'll unselect auto generate and we'll paste it in there. Now we want to click on next properties and we want to fill out the rest of the details. So I'll fill out the first name followed by the last name, fill out any other details that's required for your organization, and down here we want to go down to email, and this is where the primary email address is. So we'll put in the test user at opsecparent.com, and then we can click on review and create, and then just click on create, and that's successfully done. So the next thing we want to do is add a license to it because it's currently not a mailbox, it's just an account. So we'll go to 365, we'll go to the test user, assign the licenses, click on save, and we want to quickly check that this is set up correctly in Exchange Admin Center. So we'll just refresh the account, and you can see the user is there, and you can see the user ID is Big Boss at opsecparent, and the primary email address is testuser at opsecparent.com. Let's quickly test this is working. So let's try the primary email address. And you can see it can't find the account. But if we try the UPN, so you can see it recognizes the account and it asks for the password. So that's how we create a new account that has a UPN that's different to the email address. I'm opsecparent, and thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, along with the notification bell so you don't miss it when we release a new video. Love you all, take care, and bye-bye.